It's freezing cold. I don't know what day of the week it is. I don't remember anything anymore. I just know one thing. It's really cold. I'm going to head towards Bracknell and hit the Chippies and camp near that town because tomorrow the uphill starts. Let's get this show on the road. Oh. Leafy bush honey. Self-serve. I found some strawberry pickers. Except they're cheating. They have wheels. I stopped for chips and soda. Gotta live a little sometimes. I found my camp spot, except there's no camping allowed, so I'm not going to camp. I'm going to put up a hammock. I mean, it's gorgeous. They even have a swimming hole. Hi. Don't they have showers at home? This is Peter offering me 3-day-old chicken. Yum! And I'm in.
I put a little bit too much gravy or water in.
Hey, where are you camping next? Because I'm going to cycle there. Yeah, it's a double coffee today. Nothing that little piece of green tape can't fix. Now camping is permitted. Apparently I go straight onto this property because there's the little triangle. We'll see how far I can get on a bicycle. So I have a 5-kilometer hike to get this bike up, basically 700 meters till I reach 1,100 meters total. So I guess I'll give it a try, and where I conk out, I'll camp. Single track. It'll be okay going down, but even that would be difficult with all the gear. Whew! This is a workout day. It is lunch break time. It's 5:30. At 5 o'clock I decided to stop moving towards the crest and make camp.